Hello and welcome to another Tech Logji video. Now today I'm going to be following up my unboxing of the Beats Solo 3 10th anniversary black and red colorway. Now in terms of looks, the Beats Solo 3 in my opinion look amazing. Now I have been complimented around the office and the gym on just how great they actually look. They have some really cool features such as the faux leather cups, and Beats tend to focus on branding and marketing, so they are quite polarizing and identifiable. Now the Beats are really compact. This is one of the only headphones on the market right now that can be compact like this. I find it handy when going to the gym, and even around the office I can store it away in front of my computer and it doesn't get in the way. Now in terms of inputs, the Beats are fairly simple. They come in the audio input and also they charge via micro USB, which comes in handy because everyone has a micro USB. In terms of flexibility, as you can see, the Solo 3s are quite flexible. I have noticed that in my gym bag I can get things bunched up there, and I've opened it up and it has been in an awkward situation, but has tended to handle that situation. I haven't had any cracking or any abnormal noises at the moment, so that's a good. Now because these are on-ear headphones, they tend to be bass heavy, and Beats have used it to their advantage by focusing on a punchy low end. They sound great compared to my previous gym headphones, and the reason why obviously is because it does have a really tight seal, so it doesn't bleed into the mids, and that can cause pure muddiness like first generation Beats. So make sure you check the link in the description below so you can get taken to Amazon's cheapest price for the Solo 3 headphones. Now I do recommend that you purchase these headphones, especially if you need a high quality, great looking pair of headphones and if you're active. Now I have found on the downside that there are some Bluetooth connectivity issues, especially when connecting to multiple devices, and also because they are on-ear headphones, your ears and the top of your head may seem to fatigue a bit quicker because they have a tight fit. Now as always, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video and leave a comment below